would be all. I suppose I could try getting the cloud.
So what we're doing now is we're photographing the old man of Beacon Hill. From this workshop, we're learning how to get good exposure while using contrast and high dynamic range. Between the sky and the rock.
My name is Carolyn Brotherhood and I have been on a photography session to learn how to use the camera better and learn how to take better photographs.
I'm Janet Guest. I've been on the same course, learning all about my camera and some of the follow-up work that you can do once you've took the photographs. Because I fell out of photography a bit, so walking around feeling more in tune with my camera today, so that was better.
Just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. I just wanna be myself for a day. Follow me and no one else today. Go tell them all what we've done. We're children of the future.
Experience. I would say it was a very friendly, easygoing, we're all going to say laid back, but I don't mean laid back in a bad way, workshop, and we did general knowledge at the beginning of the camera and then went out on a walk and actually put that into practice and then came back and evaluated the photographs that we'd taken.
Yeah, I agree. I think what I've learned today is some really small things that are really going to enhance the photography. I've refreshed on things that I'd probably forgotten about as well, and it's made me feel a bit more confident about coming off automatic and going and using the controls more.
Thank you very much.